Hello everyone, welcome to this updated tutorial on how to import complex 3D models into Mine Imator. So I'm real quick going to use this model that I downloaded from Sketchfab. It's just a barrel. Whoa, why is it so big? Uh Interesting. Anyway, I'm gonna get the actual mesh of this Alt P, big apparent. And we'll delete hierarchy of that so we have just the mesh itself. We'll press S to scale it down. Period to zoom into it. Period on the numpad, by the way. Okay, I'm actually going to press Shift A and spawn in a cube real quick. Because I know that cube is 2 meters. So I can use that as reference. Yeah, I think that'll be okay. Press X to delete the cube. Press Control A to apply the transforms of this. And I am going to find my tool quick. So in my converter tool, I have this little cheat sheet screenshot. These are the settings that we need to export the model as. So I'm going to go to File, Export. I'm going to do LY. So the model, we want vertex novice. Get rid of the attributes. Uncheck that, uncheck that. Now, if you actually uncheck the vertex normals, you'll get a flat shaded model. If you keep it checked, you'll get smooth shaded. And I'm just going to name this barrel.bly. Export. There we go. Now in my tool, here we have a GUI that I've added. So that'll help make this so you just want to hit the select button, get your file, select an output folder, barrel, select that, and hit convert. There we go. So now we have our Meshcache. And here we are. I've just opened the latest version of Simply SU. Pick load up there to an empty project here. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to create scenery object. And we're going to browse. Now what I'm going to do is go into the schematics folder. And I'm just going to yoink one of these schematics decorations, grab the lamp post. So I'll just duplicate that, name this barrel. And I'm gonna put this in here. Now before I spawn it in, I'm actually going to go to Blender again. I need to get the texture for this. So I am going to save this blend file directly into that barrel folder. And then I'm going to do File, External Data, Pack. Okay. didn't need to do that. Now I'm going to do File, External Data, Unpack, and the top option. So now we have our texture. And if I just hit Browse on this, and in that same barrel folder we have textures, I'm going to grab the barrel.png image. Our lamppost is going to look weird, but we'll fix that soon. Hit Create. Save this. Now we will open the projects folder. And we are going to delete the schematic from here. Go into our folder with the barrel Meshcache here. We will copy this name, delete this, paste this name, copy this over, and now if we go to File and Open Recent, set Open Recent, open, oh, okay, we're just going to open the project again. Now we have our barrel. Its rotation point's going to be off, so we're just going to manually adjust that. There we go. Now, if we want to save this object, we can just right-click, click Export Objects, and we will do a new folder here. Barrel. Save. Now, if we want to actually import this into another project, we're going to need to copy this Meshcache folder with it. I'll show you what it looks like when we try to import it to a new project. We'll do File, Import Asset, barrel.mi object, and it will look like it looks okay. But if we open this project again, well, now it's gone. So we need to manually copy this Meshcache file every time we want to import this object into a new project. Otherwise, it's just going to disappear on project reload. And that should be it. One more limitation is you can't have multiple textures in your object. This barrel thankfully only has one texture. You won't be able to actually animate the pieces of it if it has multiple pieces. It'll be as static as a prop. I'll probably add future tutorials on how to kind of bypass these. But for right now, this should work for a lot of things, hopefully. In the meantime, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for stopping by. Take care. Have a good night.